I'm Sheila Punayo from Batch 2183. Welcome to my presentation of feeding and burping. Use bottles that have a wide base, low flow nipple. Hold your baby in an upright position, supporting their head and neck with your hand. Touch your baby upper lip and the bottle nipple to encourage your baby to open their mouth wide. Let your baby pull the nipple into his mouth. You don't want to force it. The nipple should not be full of milk when feeding. Hold the bottle horizontally so that the nipple is partially full. This shows the flow of milk, allowing your baby to drink at their own pace. Count your baby's sucks and swallows if your baby doesn't take a breath. Every 2 to 5 sucks, remove the bottle and take a few seconds rest so your baby can breathe. When you're feeding your baby, watch for signs of overfeeding or choking. This includes swallowing quickly without taking a breath, milk spilling out of their mouth, flattering nostrils of their eyes opening widely, stiffening in arms and legs, or lips turning blue. Immediately remove the bottle if your baby shows any of this sign. Babies always swallow air while feeding. Burping your babies helps release their air. If your baby is getting crankly, pulling or bending their legs, arching their back or pulling away from the bottle, they may need to be burped. Look for the sign that your baby is full and finished feeding. They can include dressing their lips together, letting go to the nipple, turning their head to the side, no longer sucking, and falling asleep. Leftover milk must be thrown out after baby has finished feeding. Hold your baby upright with the head resting on your shoulder. Pat the back with your other hand, cupping your hand slight and gentle than a plaited palm. Sitting your baby on your lap, supporting their chin and chest with your hand. Rub your or pat the back with your other hand. Use repeated gently pats on your baby back. Rest your baby face down in your lap and gently rub or pat the back. Keep a cloth nearby in case your baby spit up. If still showing sign of trapped gas, try lying baby at the back and gently massage the tummy. Try moving baby's legs back and forth like riding a bike.